Hello friends, you are watching This Is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so we are going to solve some AIEEE problems of 2005. Okay, so let's get started. The first one, let alpha and the beta are the distinct roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos of ax square plus bx plus c upon x minus alpha whole square is equals to what? Now see, this sum can be solved by two methods. The first one, if you put 0 here, if you put x is equal to alpha, sorry, the limit is x tends to alpha here. So if you put alpha here, you have denominator as 0, and if you put alpha here, then alpha and beta are roots of this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this thing becomes 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So in the numerator you also have 0, so you have here 0 divided by 0 form. So you can apply L'Hospital rule here. You can solve the sum by this L'Hospital method that we learn in our topic lecture video. Those students who don't know that, please watch that video. But today we are going to solve this method by some different method, that is by the quadratic equation method. Okay, so let's see that. Here, what I do, I just take a as a common from this equation. So what we have, if I take a as a common, then I have a into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Okay, b by a into x plus c by a, and that can be written as, that is the form of the equation having alpha and the beta are the roots. So that can be written as 1 minus cos of a as a common, and then x square minus x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is the roots, that means x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay, so x minus alpha and x minus beta. Now if you multiply this, then you have x square, then you have minus of alpha plus beta into x. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, correct? And then you have plus alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? That is c by a. Okay, so that we learn in the quadratic equation. So I am going to solve the sum by that quadratic equation method. Now we all know that the formula of 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So I just write down 2 sin square a into x minus alpha x minus beta by 2 upon x minus alpha whole square. Now for application of the formula of the sine, that means limit x tends to alpha sine square of theta upon theta, this whole thing, whatever it is, this whole theta and this whole theta must be same. So what I do, I take just this 2 and x minus alpha whole square common, and I write down this term sine square of a into x minus alpha x minus beta by 2 whole square. Same thing, that means a square x minus alpha square x minus beta square by 4, because if this theta and this theta are same, then this whole thing becomes 1, because we all know that limit x tends to alpha or limit x tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is equals to 1. But for that, this must be equals to same. So what I do, I just multiply this angle and divide this angle. Okay, multiply and divide this angle. So now if you apply limit here, then this whole thing becomes 1. This whole thing becomes 1. Okay, now this x minus alpha whole square and this x minus alpha whole square gets cancelled out. Okay, now we have here 2 and here 4 gets cancelled out, so I have 2 here also. Now we have a square x minus beta square by 2 left. So this is my answer. Now I just have to apply limit alpha here. So if I apply the limit alpha here, then I have a square alpha minus beta whole square by 2. So this is my answer. Answer option number 1. Okay, answer option number 1, a square by 2 alpha minus beta whole square is my right option. Okay, so this is a good sum. You can try this sum by L'Hospital rule and you will get answer definitely. That is true, because L'Hospital rule applies everywhere and anywhere where the 0 by 0 form occurs. So you can apply L'Hospital rule here, but this is the usual method, L'Hospital rule, so I tried out different one. Let's see one more. Okay, this is the differential equation chapter questions. So it's what is say x divided by dx is equal to y log y minus log x plus 1. Then the solution of equation is. So we just have to simplify this and get the answer. So here what they say, x divided by dx is equal to y log y minus log x, that can be written as log of y by x plus 1. Okay, so I just write it down, x divided by dx is equal to y log y minus log x plus 1. This thing can be written as log of y by x, because the division of log can be written as subtraction and subtraction can be written as division. So it becomes log of y by x. This x goes here, so it's y by x. Now you have the idea how to solve it. Just take y by x is equal to v, that means y is equal to vx. That means dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. So I just write it down, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. Now I just put this whole thing here. So here it becomes dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. Here it becomes v, here log v plus 1. So I just do that, v plus x dy by dx is equals to v log v plus 1. Okay, now what I do, x dy by dx here, this becomes v log v plus v, v log v plus v, and then v, this v and this v gets cancelled out, this v and this v gets cancelled out, and we have x dv by dx is equals to v log v. Now variable separable method, this v log v comes here, so dv by v log v is equal to dx by x. Now what I do, I just write down this as 1 by v. This is 1 divided by v here, so it becomes 1 by v dA. Forget this v now, I just write down as 1 by v dv upon log v. Now what we have in the denominator the function, and the numerator we have differentiation. Now just integrate both the side. So we have here, we don't need to do these things. We don't need to do this log v is equal to 0 and this whole stuff. Just integrate both the side, and what you have told me, just integrate both the side and you have 1 by v log v. So you have log of log v is equal to log x. Okay, so what you have, log of log v is equal to log x plus log c. So you have log of log v is equals to log of x plus c, and log of gets cancelled out, so you have log v is equals to what you have, x into c. Okay, so log v is equal to x into c directly here. We come in this step directly. We don't need to do this all the things. Okay, so don't need to do this thing. We have this directly, log v is equal to x into c, v is equal to y by x. So log y by x is equal to cx. What I do here, I just integrate this as 1 here divided by 1 divided by v. I just write that down this in this form. So what here becomes, it is function and its differentiation. So we have log of log v, and here log x plus log c. Log x plus log c can be written as log of x plus c. Here we have log of log v, log gets cancelled out, so log v is equal to x into c. So this term directly appears. Don't need to do this whole thing. Okay, understand? So don't need to do, you can do this method if you find that, but this is a very shortcut method. So directly we can say log v is equal to c into x, v is equal to y by x. So log y by x is equal to cx. So this is my right answer. Answer option number 3 is my right option. Log of y by x is equal to cx. So please solve the videos. Please see the videos. Watch all the videos. Please solve the problems of AIEEE, IIT past year problems. If you have any doubt, ask me. I'm going to post a video on that. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button.